Hi and welcome to a series of spoken English. Today we are going to look at certain specific aspects of language. That is the use of language, when to use stay in and when to use stay at. And what is the difference between the two? We are also going to look at the two words live and living. When to use and what is the meaning that is applied when we use the word live and living. Let us proceed with lesson 2. Live and living. Live is used or live expresses stability or permanence. That means permanently or permanence or permanently living in a particular place. I live in Agra. That means my home is Agra and I have been living in Agra. Living suggests a short period of time. Now previously you must have heard me using I have been living in Agra or I live in Agra. That means there's a lot of permanence in the previous. But in the second aspect, that means living suggests a short duration of time. That means the person may have been living in Agra, but now maybe he has gone to some other place, say Delhi. And for a short duration, he is living in Delhi. So the word living suggests a short period of stay. It can be 1 day, it can be 1 month, 1 year, or maybe a 1 decade. I'm living and working in Delhi these days. The word living used in this particular sentence means he doesn't originate from Delhi. He is only living there and he is only working there. My Bharat is living in Mumbai these days. That means some parent is talking about the child or the son is living in Mumbai these days. He lives in Assam. We'll go back. Live means stability or permanence. So he lives in Assam means his home is in Assam or he has been permanently living in Assam. Let us proceed to understand the meaning of the word stay, stay at and stay in. We can see the change of preposition in this case. Preposition is a word that shows little relationship between two nouns. And the use of preposition determines the meaning. That means when you use at and when you use in, the meaning that is applied will change. Stay expresses the time spent temporarily in some place. For example, when he goes to Mumbai, he prefers staying at or in a hotel. Now let me explain the meaning of at when you use this particular sentence. When he goes to Mumbai, he prefers living at a hotel. At is used when some large place or well-known or popular place is used. And when he goes to Mumbai, he prefers staying in a hotel. In is used when some smaller or less known or not known place is used. So when you use at a hotel, that means a very popular, well-known hotel. And when you say in a hotel, that means some less known or unknown hotel. Let us see the example. When he goes to Mumbai, he prefers staying at Taj Hotel. Taj is a great name, very popular. So most probably that's how we use the preposition at. When he goes to Mumbai, he prefers staying in a 2-star hotel. In a, that means any, known or unknown, or less known, or a small place. Why don't you stay in the youth hostel? We stayed in London for 3 weeks. You can see the word in is used and the word in is used over here. Why don't you stay in the youth hostel? That means any youth hostel. We stayed in London for 3 weeks. There is no specification given. It is just the place, London, that is mentioned over here. If you were to give a specific place in London, then you could have used at over here. Thank you very much. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload the next video in this series, you get the notification. Kindly practice the expressions. It will help you to ask questions. Thank you very much for listening to me.